a shared scripted model, which is kind of, it's working okay. We're having our little hiccups once in a while, but basically I have, I control like slab edges, I control, what else do I control? Floor heights and all these things, and structure controls all the like crazy super frame, how we call it. It's like a relatively elaborate tapering frame. So they control this part, but then both models are linked to each other. So whenever I hit update, structurally I need to hit update, and then I get all the correct structure back, and he gets all my stuff back. Yeah, and that's happening on the scripted side. So that's kind of what we're experimenting with. So that's another example of how we, the structure part has they have their file, we have our file, but it's still linked together. Say again.
So the question is, since when we're working this model, how do we access the other disciplines models, or how do we bring the information in?
Well, what's typically happening is for power like this, the key thing is there's this area chart that is pretty elaborate and has like, 20 columns are typically height, but they contain, because we're also shifting floors up and down, so we don't want to do this in the full model because it's relatively slow. So we just shift them in Excel, and basically everyone reads the same Excel sheet and then knows, to assume more structural loads for that or make sure that the clearances work. So Excel actually plays a key role, not only because the good thing about Excel is it's visually more appealing than a text file, but it's also more accepted. There's not, sometimes people don't want to use a certain tool, but then Excel